Good afternoon, traders. This is Kevin Craney with RJO Futures with your afternoon financial market update. The S&P 500 trading toward a record high close on the day, and when we look at some of the financial data that came out today, certainly not the type of data that you would think would push the equity markets higher. However, we do have to keep into consideration we're at the end of the month. We're at the end of a quarter, so we do have some window dressing going on by a lot of funds to be long some of these names that have done well during the month and the quarter. And this is probably pushing things a little bit higher on the day. When we look at what's going on in the interest rate markets, really rates unchanged. We see the 30-year remaining around 310 basis points and the 10-year around 190 basis points. Cyprus banks open for the first time since a week or so ago with capital controls in place. So this certainly not under what the EU would generally run under, and actually goes totally against the doctrine that was in place. This has some people concerned. Other people feel like maybe there's more shoes to drop there in Europe, and certainly I would be in that camp as well. Nothing's been solved there. I think there's still a lot of major concerns for Europe as we move forward, and this will play out in the bond market as we move forward. But for now, everybody's eye is on this close in the S&P 500, and as we come to the end of the quarter, where money flow will go. So we look forward to the second quarter. It'll be interesting to see where money flow is. As the old saying goes, sell in May, go away. We have to get through April 1st. It will be interesting to see what happens after the tax deadline, specifically to see where money flow moves from there. People start to reallocate the portfolio, take some risk off of the table with an equity move that's really been exponentially higher since the beginning of the year without any meaningful correction and really any meaningful blow up in Europe until this whole Cyprus situation reared its ugly head. So these are some things to certainly consider as we go into the long holiday weekend. Happy Easter to everyone. Markets will be back open on Monday morning. Please give me a call at 888-596-5817 and we can discuss these opportunities and others. As always, remember, futures trading is not suitable for everyone and does carry a high degree of risk.